Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp push notification are disabled on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Reset location and privacy. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. In general settings, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. Now tap on the last option reset location and privacy in the pop-up menu. Now enter your iPhone's passcode. Next tap on reset settings in the pop-up menu. This will reset your location and privacy settings to factory defaults. Solution 2. Turn on WhatsApp notification. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and find notifications and tap on it. In notification settings, scroll down and find WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure all the notifications are turned on. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp application. Now find the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Press and hold on it and delete the app. Again install the WhatsApp application. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In App Store, tap on search bar at the bottom right corner of the menu. Now search for WhatsApp. Then tap on Cloud option next to the WhatsApp Messenger to reinstall it. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.